What's up, everybody? This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. So I've been talking about foldable phones all this year, and I've been saying that foldable phones is not practical. I believe at first that it didn't make any sense. You know what? Maybe I was wrong. After closely consideration and well thought out in my mind, I believe foldable phones is practical. And let me tell you why. Sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go.
Downtown, I got that heat, let's go.
What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So I've been talking about foldable phones not being practical, and maybe I'm wrong, especially in the business environment. Let me give you a scenario. As y'all guys know, I own businesses, right? And one of my businesses is a cake business, cake supply business. And you know, I look at how I use my Galaxy Note devices for decks. And it's a powerful device to use with decks. But what if I had a client walk in my business and want to order a cake, maybe a wedding cake, and I could pull out my foldable phone and I can open it up and show the client different photos, different scenarios on, you know, a cake or something like that. I think that is a great tool, especially a pocketable device that I could pull out and open up the bigger canvas, and now I can show my client different photos of different scenarios about, you know, a business proposal, right? So in the business environment, I think the foldable phone works. Here's the thing. And I looked at this like with the Microsoft Dual phone that's coming out at the end of the year. Also, the attempt by Samsung with the Galaxy Fold. That device, again, I talked about how it wasn't practical, but after consideration, I think it is practical. You know, I look at it from a business standpoint, and look, to me, I'm looking at a whole lot of things from a business standpoint. A device that you can open up, get work done, business work done, and close it up and put it in your pocket. Now, a lot of people will beg the differ, say that you can use an iPad or a computer for that. But again, it goes back to the portability that you can open up the device and you have a bigger canvas to work with and close it up, and boom, you got a pocketable device. Now, the only thing that hindering, in my opinion, foldable phones is the price point. I mean, look, here's the thing. And we know that in 2020 and 2021, we're going to see some decreases in prices when it comes down to foldable phones. But as of right now, I mean, paying $1,500, $1,600 for a foldable phone, it's definitely out of a lot of people's price bracket, right? I mean, listen, man, I always talk about this, that paying over $1,000 for a phone, that's just too high. But now we're hearing that phones may come down to the $800 price point, foldable phones. That will be great. That would be awesome, especially at the price point that what you get now. A lot of people talk about how Motorola came out with the Razr. Now, here's the thing, you know, when you open up the device, you know, the clamshell top device, and you get a bigger canvas when it's open, and when you close it, you get a small pocketable device. Again, we talk about the practicality of something like that. When you open it up, it's a huge display. And again, if you turn it sideways, you have a pretty huge display there that you can get work done. But when you fold it, it's a very tiny device that you can put in your pocket. Again, I think that's where we're going to go at in 2020, 2021, that you're going to start seeing pocketable devices that fold out into big devices if you want to get work done. Also, if you're a gamer, I mean, think about it. You have a bigger canvas that you can play games with, and you can have your controller at the bottom of the screen, right? And have your game playing at the top of the screen. I think that is a powerful thing, right? I think that is powerful, especially when we talking about the powerful chipsets that they're putting in the devices today, that we're not getting any lag, we're getting full speed, and then with 5G and everything. So when it comes down to the practicality and when it comes down to getting work done, I think foldable phones is great. And listen, here's the thing, they are coming. So it ain't like we can miss it They definitely going to be coming in 2020, 2021. A lot of these OEMs are going to make different form factors, different type of scenarios where foldable phones will be all over the place. And for us, the average consumer or business people, we have to make a decision or a choice whether or not we're going to stay with the same old, or we're going to try to go with something more practical. I believe the future is foldable, right? Something that's portable, something that's easy, something that you could pull out of your pocket, show your client something special coming straight from your pocket to a foldable device. This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your questions down below. Let me know what you think about foldable phones in the future of foldable devices. See you guys on the next video. Peace.